Today we are taking a look at the Sivga open-ear wireless earbuds. Now these earbuds sit on your ears, not in your ears. So today we find out if on is as good as in, or if in is better than on. Is on better than in? This question will be answered on TechForce. It's TechForce time. Into the box we go, and here we have the Sivga open-ear wireless earbuds, a USB-C charging cable, the charging case, a user manual right over here. So, as expected, all the usual suspects in the box. Let's kick it off with what I like. Firstly, it's the sound. Yes, the sound is balanced and enjoyable with good bass quality, which is actually really rare in conduction headphones. Well done here. Good bass and easy listening. These headphones are both secure and comfortable, and they never feel as though they're going to come off during an exercise, no matter how rigorous my exercise is. They are very comfortable, and you don't even feel as though you're wearing them after you've been wearing them for a while. They are both sweat and water resistant, and they come in either black or white. Another thing I really like is the hook that can be rotated both left and right to ensure a good fit for all different shapes and sizes of ears. So even Dumbo can wear these with confidence. My favorite feature has to be the charging status display on the charging case. Why is this my favorite? Well, because it's the first time I've ever seen anything like this on a charging case before. It is cool. We get 9 hours of battery life at 50% volume. And yes, trust me, 50% is plenty for these headphones. 9 hours will also get you loads of exercise sessions, so no need to be charging it every day. When it comes to taking calls, Sivga says it employs noise cancelling technology to cancel out all the external noises in your general vicinity. Taking calls is a good experience, and it's not a struggle to deal with calls in loud environments like it normally is with bone conduction headphones. Another tick in the good column. Something that could definitely be improved on is that in order to turn the power off, I need to hold both the left and the right buttons down for 5 seconds. This is a little bit troublesome and rather inconvenient. All I want to do is turn off my headphones, not launch a nuclear missile. Taking a closer look at these headphones, you will notice that they're not the smallest ones. You will definitely need the case for these because they're just too big for your pocket. Also, other wireless headphones are a lot smaller in comparison. Something that I would also like is to have customizable controls. I know it's a small gripe, but it's something that other headphones do, and when I've done it with other headphones, it makes life a lot easier for me. Battery life is an issue for all of us, so if you need to listen to these a little bit louder than just at 50%, it's going to drain the battery a lot faster. If this is an issue for you, then it's an issue. And on the EQ side of things, the bass could be just a touch lighter. Compared to my Apple wired headphones, the bass is definitely less. So just a tweak in the EQ would really make an awesome difference to the overall listening experience. To improve your experience with our channel, go on over and hit that like and subscribe button. It's that moment in this video where you take a moment to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you would like to be notified every time we drop a video. And let's be honest, you do want to know when we drop a video because we love making them for you, and you love listening to them and watching them and commenting and liking and clicking buttons. So go on, click the like and subscribe. In conclusion, the Sivga open-ear wireless earbuds are proof that you do not have to spend masses of cha-ching money to get a great pair of sounding earphones, and that are really reliable when it comes to exercise. The fit is great. They're not going to fall off. On the flip side, the only thing that bugs me a little bit here is the battery life. It's definitely not class leading. But, and there is a but, this is definitely one of the better conduction headphones I've used. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye bye. Now that we know that the Neuralink is well on its way, I'm wondering what music is going to sound when you've got your Neuralink implanted. Will we be listening to 12.1 surround sound in our heads that nobody else can listen to? The future sounds amazing.